Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process to fix the Windows has stopped this device code 43 error on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. The first step to resolving this error is to ensure your Windows is up to date. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab and then click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Allow Windows to download and install any available updates. Once the updates are complete, you can restart your computer. If updating Windows does not resolve the issue, the next solution involves using System Restore. To begin, search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery settings. Click on Open System Restore. Before you can select a restore point, you must enable system protection. To do this, click on Create and then create a new restore point. It is important to note that you should create a restore point proactively, not just when you need to restore. After ensuring system protection is enabled, click OK. Now proceed to open System Restore again, click Next, and then choose a suitable restore point. Click Next again, and finally click Finish. Confirm by clicking Yes. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.